Ever wonder how keyboards and mouse are made? Next, let me reveal to you the secrets of making keyboards and mice. First, let's talk about the keyboard. The keyboard is the most important input device for our daily use of computers. Its three major elements are buttons, lines, and space. First, let's talk about the keyboard. The keyboard is the most important input device for our daily use of computers. Its three major elements are buttons, lines, and space. It not only transmits the signal from the key, but also ensures that the key is in the correct position. Space is the design of the internal space of the keyboard, which determines the layout and comfort of the keys. Next, let us talk about the mouse. The mouse is one of the important input devices of the computer. Its three major elements are sensor, cursor, and button. The sensor is the core component of the mouse and is responsible for sensing all operations. The cursor is the display mark of the mouse on the screen, which changes shape as we click and move. Buttons are the control buttons of the mouse, through which we can complete various operations. The above are the three major elements of keyboard and mouse production. We hope that through our introduction, everyone will have a deeper understanding of their production.